Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate this first manufacturing top performer leather jacket. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we jump in and give you the breakdown on this first manufacturing jacket that's on my back at this very moment, do us both a favor, subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel. That way you don't miss out on any of the latest part or gear reviews coming your way. Speed Addicts, always getting first look. Subscribe right now to our channel, that way you don't miss out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at Speed Addicts, you can do so by shopping with us. We make it real easy. There's going to be a link in the description below. They'll get you right over to speedaddicts.com. You can buy one of these top performer jackets that I'm going to show you today, or shop for any of the parts or gear you're looking for at the moment. Okay, first manufacturing. They own the production. Their products are all made in Pakistan. This is high quality bovine leather. It is supple, and the best part about it is that it looks good and it's not going to break the bank. The top performer, this is their top seller, aptly named. It's stylish. It's got protection where you need it. Optional armor. It's all going to get you for only $329 to $359. Now the pricing depends on your size, and they've got a huge range of sizes. First manufacturing is really good about that. Sizes small all the way up to 5 extra large. So literally almost no one is left out. Let's talk about the fit. I'm wearing a size large. Now, I've tried on some of their other jackets, and some of them fit a little snugger. Like the Raider we just checked out was fitting a little snug in large for me. I'm a 44-inch chest, 220, 6'2". The length, the fit of this top performer is dead on. The large is from 44 to 46-inch chest. And especially once this breaks in, I'm going to have room for armor. I'm really going to be stoked on the top performer. So that's the fit situation. And sizes small all the way up through 5X, like I said. So go buy the sizing chart on the first manufacturing sizing chart that you're going to find over at Speed Addicts. And remember, if you don't get it right the first time, we've got your back with no cost returns here. That's right. We don't nickel and dime you like those other outfits do. If you live in the lower 48 states, you're going to get a free return label in just a few clicks. To qualify, live in the lower 48 states, and make sure the gear's brand new in the original packaging, and we'll hook you up, treat you like family. Okay, we have, if you're into leather, you like the leather terminology, I will tell you this is diamond naked cowhide leather construction. I will say it's even more supple than the Raider that we tried on earlier. It's a little more comfortable. It moves with you, but it is still nice and thick. It's going to give you that protection should you put it to the test, the asphalt test. Hopefully you do not. It has padded elbow detail. Look at that. It looks good right there. So you got a little bit of detail there. Let's get into the pockets, the vents, and all the little accoutrement on the top performer. You're going to have armor pockets in the elbows, shoulders, and in the back. So the armor is sold separately. You can buy the first manufacturing branded armor or whatever other armor you want. I recommend going with something that's CE rated. The higher the number with a CE rating, the thicker it's going to get and the more protection that you'll have. So this is the first manufacturing armor packages. You can add these on to any first manufacturing order. Whoops, there you go, at speedaddicts.com. You can run part of it. If you only run the elbows, you don't want to run the spine protector, the shoulders, it's all up to you. Remember, leather breaks in a little bit, so you want it to fit relatively snug and fitted, and then you put that armor in there. It's going to stretch and kind of work its way in and fit to you. Let's talk about the zippers in the pockets. You have pockets up on the chest. Now, will these provide some ventilation as well? They will. So I would use them as pockets, but you can also use them as vents here. Down below, slash pockets on both sides. These are sealed. They're not mesh in here. You don't have to worry about any sort of things falling out. These are very secure pockets and probably wouldn't get wet either. In the arms, these are big mesh vents. These are not actual pockets. These are just ventilation here. So they got this big open weave mesh in the arms, keep you cool. That's a nice thing about leather jackets. Everyone thinks they need a mesh jacket. Mesh jackets or textile jackets that you might think breathe better. Like, it's surprising how well this jacket will breathe. If you have all the vents open and you take out the thermal liner, which I'll show you in a minute, and you get that airflow, you're riding. Once you stop, you'll get warm, yes, but if you get the ventilation working on the front and the back, remove the thermal liner, you're pretty much ready for all sorts of different riding conditions. So that is the front array of pockets. You also have these gussets here on the sleeve with one big zipper. All the zippers have tassels, and all the zippers are YKK. First manufacturing. They stay first, they're first manufacturing, but they say Second Amendment. So we've got concealed carry on both sides. So whichever hand you draw with, they got you covered, okay? So they have the bullet snaps, which are cool looking. Inside you will have a pistol. Well, there you go. You have room for a pistol and 2 magazines. There are elastic bands in there for the mags, and there you go. You got them on both sides. So concealed carry on both, and unlike the Raider, there's only one zipper, so you can't actually access those pockets without unzipping like you can with the Raider, where they have one on the outside. So if you're really looking, whoops, keep catching on the leather here. If you're really looking for a quick draw situation, you might want to check out the Raider, where you can get into that first concealed carry without opening it up. If you look underneath the arm, you have more ventilation. You've got 4 grommets under each armpit so that you don't pit out. You get ventilation going. And then you notice the zipper over here on the back. That is another vent. That is not a pocket. Down low, you do have 2 spots to adjust. There you go. You got 2 different snaps to tighten that up around your waist and get the right fit. And on the back, you notice this is gusseted right here, so they call it an action back. It's easier to reach forward. It's going to allow your arms to move into that riding position. Insulated thermal liner that zips out quite easily, so you can wear it with or without. And that about does it. First manufacturer is going to give you a lifetime warranty. It's pretty crazy for a genuine leather jacket with all these features, under $400, lifetime warranty. Let's get this going. There we go. Fold out the zipper. Looks good. Check it out at speedaddicts.com. If you still got questions about the jacket, hit up our rider support team, where you can always talk to a human over there. Live chat, emails, phone support, whatever you need it, we got it. If you have a top performer, I know lots of you do because we've sold a ton of these, let the community know how you like it in the comment section below. That does it for today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.